It's so good. Hello mga beshi! Today I will be showing you guys how to make chicken breast longanisa. Well, longanisa flavored chicken breast. Okay, let's go! Okay guys, so what we need to do is open up our chicken breast. First thing we need is the shoyu. Then we just add to your liking, okay? We're just marinating the chicken. And then we're gonna use this vinegar. And then that should be fine. And then we're using the minced garlic. If you see it, minced garlic, boom.
And now we're gonna use black pepper. Nakita yon. The last ingredient is salt.
There you go. We're done. There we just
mekus right now. Mekus. Oh, you keep look. Wow, mekus.
You smell it. Smell like longanisa. Okay, mga beshi. Now we're done marinating it. We're gonna put it in the fridge for a couple hours. Yeah, like 2 hours maybe. And then, you know, it's good for dinner. And that's it for now. And then I'll see you guys back when we cook. Okay? Do that. Guys, this recipe is for the people who's trying to lose weight but want to eat Filipino foods. Okay? It's like me. I was craving longanisa, and then I was like, oh, let me search what's the recipe for longanisa. And then it's literally just garlic, pepper, or soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper. That's it. And then I was like, oh, maybe I could try use it with my chicken. And then I was like, oh my god, it tastes so good. It tastes like longanisa. Diba? But yeah, guys, these are for the people that, you know, wants to eat that flavor, longanisa flavor, but still eat healthier a little bit, instead of eating so much fat in the pork longanisa. Okay? Alright mga beshi, it's nighttime already. It's dinner. Oh shit. Okay, wait guys, I forgot to cook rice. Let's go cook rice first before we continue the cooking vlog, okay? Okay, we need this. Oh, there is still rice. There's still rice. Oh, it's probably not that, it's not good anymore. So, let's cook rice real quick. We're gonna cook rice real quick. But yes, guys, I do eat rice. If y'all, because a lot of people have been saying, oh, do you eat, been asking me, oh, do you eat rice? Do you eat rice? Yes, I do eat rice. I love rice. I'm Filipino. What do you expect? Even if I'm on my weight loss, I still eat rice because rice is life, diba? You guys probably know how to make rice already, right? I don't need to show you guys how to make rice. I can show you guys what I use. I use jasmine rice. Sometimes. I bought one last week and it's actually good, guys. I thought, you know, rice is rice. It's the same. I don't know. Hey, Nikon! Press pause. Oh, gayam tiko na yan eh. Mga beshi, nagrigat kayam tag-vlog. Like, I have to keep moving the tripod and everything, you know. And then, I don't know. Nagrigat mo kayam tag-vlog ah. Kung ano nalakala tag-vlog naman ganyan. It's hard. The hard is, vlogging is the harding part. Oh, especially the editing part. Oh my god eh. The editing part, I don't even want to deal with that. There you go. Okay, now, let's go cook the chicken longanisa. It smells good. Okay, there we go. You see it? Right there. Boom. Okay, mga beshi. Now, let's cook. Okay. I use this spray, okay? The 0-calorie spray. Just use this. Okay? Okay, guys, let's put it in because it's a little hot now. Oh my goodness. Smells Gucci. Just put it all, and then we use the marinated. Wow, just put it all. Just put it all. Just put it all. It literally smells like Longanisa. Mga beshi, to make your food taste better, you have to dance. Oh, hey, hey. Okay. Now we flip it little bit. We flip it. Because if you guys try this, you guys won't. You guys are gonna be like, oh my god, it tastes like Longanisa for real. Let it cook. Let it cook. And sama-sama do. Yeah. Mga beshi, while we wait, if you guys have any other suggestion of my videos, let me know down in the comment section, okay? Let me know in the comment section, and I will look into it, and then let's do some videos more. YouTube, we're gonna be a YouTuber now because Uncle Mita, hindi na baybayadan na. He doesn't want to pay me anymore. So let's go move on to YouTube, okay? YouTube, I love you. As you know, I love you, man. Mga beshi, so for this channel, I wanna just make random videos, like random vlogs, okay? If you guys want to watch me, please subscribe down the comment section below. Please subscribe, to me, to BJ the Ilocano boy. If you guys wanna watch my life, we're gonna do some, tech vlog, gaming vlog, I don't know, food vlog, workout vlog. Natiltilad nga vlog. Ti okay ni Nana KD, di ba? Please subscribe to my channel, okay? I love you. So here it is, mga beshi. Look at that. Look at that. Oh! It smells like Longanisa. Here you go, mga beshi. Let's take the first bite. It's so good. It's so good. I wish I put more vinegar, but it's still good, guys. But yeah, mga beshi, if you guys want more recipe, hidden recipe, please let me know down in the comment section below, and please subscribe. I love you all. Bye.